children. My name is Bhagyalakshmi. I am your Hindi teacher. This is about lockdown. We started online classes. You came to 6th standard now, so that we are doing recording classes now, online classes. Are you staying at home or not? Going outside? Don't go outside, right? Because this is a crucial. It's a difficult period for me. So we should stay at home and we should be safe. Okay, ma? Don't go outside and follow the online classes which we post in the groups. Okay, ma? Don't neglect your studies and until the school reopens, don't neglect your studies. Okay, children? Once we revise, actually you came to 6th standard now. So once again we revise 5th to 6th you came. So once again we will revise the basics of our Hindi language, Hindi subject. Okay, ma? Okay. Basics means see here I wrote in Hindi numbers also, the date I wrote in Hindi numbers also. Mostly try to write the numbers in Hindi only when you write the notes. So many times I revised these words, but still some students are not following. Mostly try to write these numbers in Hindi only. Write the numbers in Hindi only. It's very easy to learn also. Okay, first if we want to write any word, if we want to write any sentence or whatever it may be, we need a letter. Okay, letter we call it in Hindi we call it as akshar. Okay, what we call in Hindi we call it as akshar. In English we have alphabets. Without letter we can't write any word or any sentence or any paragraph or whatever the topic or autobiographies or biographies, whatever it may be, we can't write anything without a letter. So letter is the main thing. Letter is the main thing to frame anything, any story or whatever it may be, to frame. Letter is the main thing. Okay. So here letter, what we call letter in Hindi? Akshar. And we don't have only one letter, we have so many letters, and all the letters are framed in one line or in one position, which is called as and which is named as Varnamala. What it is named as? Varnamala. So now here first we must know the meaning of that heading. What is the meaning of that heading? We must know it. Here see, Varna. Varna means letter. The other name in Hindi is Akshar. The other name of that letter is Varna is Akshar. And Mala means garland. Why we are saying it as a garland? Why we are saying as Akshar Mala or Varna Mala? Why? Because all the letters, see for example, how the flowers are pinned and make a garland like this, all the letters also arranged like the flowers in the garland and make it as a, see how it is, like this, it is there, no? How, imagine that all these are the letters and how the letters are arranged in and make a garland. Like that, all the letters in Varnamala are also arranged one after the other and make it as a one of the garlands. Okay. So first we must know the meaning of Akshar. I told you now, first you must know the meaning of Akshar. What is the meaning of Akshar? A means nahi. A means what? Nahi. In English, never. Akshar. नाश होना. destroy. Okay, do you understand now what is the meaning of akshar? Nash nahi hona, never destroy. That means this letter doesn't destroy. Do you understand now? To write something or whatever it may be, we need letter. So it doesn't have any destruction. Okay, if you want, you can maintain a book and write these important points in your book. Okay, ma? Important points. You don't have the textbooks or notebooks, no? So that until then you buy the books, just follow one rough notebook. In that you can you can write all these, and afterwards you can revise. Akshar meaning. Nash nahi hona. That means in English, never destroy. So, do you understand, children, now? What is the meaning of akshar mala? Okay, heading. First of all, do you understand that? Next, going into the topic, we should have, for Varnamala, we have 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. The first one is swar, second one is vyanjan, and the third one is samyukt vyanjan. Samyukt vyanjan. Okay, ma? How many parts are there in Varnamala to be? Swar, vyanjan, and samyukt vyanjan. 3 parts are there. Before going to know how many letters are there in Varnamala, first we will go through this. Okay. Then after, at last we can count and find out the letters, how many are there in Varnamala. Now, swar. Swar means in English we call it as vowels, and in Telugu it is named as achulu. In English, vowels, and it is named in Telugu achulu. And what are the letters in this? Atu, aha. See, in English we have a E, I, O, U vowels. So, and in Telugu we have achulu, atu, aha. Like that, in Hindi also, swar letters are there. What are those? Atu, aha. That means these are the vowels. Okay. Next, vyanjan. And that too, how many letters are there in this? Total 13 letters are there. Next, vyanjan. Vyanjan in English, consonants. Vyanjan in English, consonants. And in Telugu, hallulu. So, what are the letters in vyanjan? We have ka to ha letters. What are the letters we had in this? Ka to ha. Total how many are there? 33. Say, except A, E, I, O, U, the remaining letters are called consonants in English. And in Telugu, Katu, Bandira letters are called Hallu. But in Hindi, Katu, Ha letters are called Vyanjan letters. So, do you understand? A to Aha letters are named as Swar, and Katu, Ha letters are named as Vyanjan. And the last one is, last but not least one is compound consonants in English, samyukt vyanjan. Compound consonants. Okay, samyukt vyanjan. In Telugu it is called as samyuktaksharalu. Samyuktaksharalu. Okay. So how many are there? Those are 3 letters. How many are there? Those are 3 letters. Now we can count all these numbers. Then we get the Varnamala. How many letters are there in Varnamala? 13 plus 3, how many? 16. 16 plus 33, total. How many are there in Varnamala? 49 letters. If you count like this, easily you can find out the letters in Varnamala. Okay. Now, Up to here, do you understand, ma? In swar, how many letters are there? What are the letters are there? A to aha. And in Vyanjan, ka to ha. Samyukta Vyanjan, only 3 letters. Those are sha, tra, and nya. All these 3 letters are there. Okay, ma? Now, first we will go through swar letters. What is there in this and how to write the letter. First of all, how to write the letter, how to pronounce the letter, and what we will get with the swar letters. All these we learn in this topic. First we will go through the letters. What are the letters in this? We will go through that. A, I, E, U, Re. What is this? Re, not Ru. This letter is Re. So many will confuse and they will pronounce it wrongly. So this letter is Re, not Ru. A, I, O, Au, Okay. Once again we revise. A, I, E, U, Re. What is this? Re. A, I, O, Au, Okay. All these are swar letters. And total how many are there? 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Okay, I said 12 in Hindi and numbers in English also. Okay, now. So with these letters, what we get in Telugu? You have this one, Achulu Gurtulu. No, do you remember in Telugu Achulu Gurtulu, Talgattu, Dirgham, Gudi Dirgham? Like that, in Hindi also, with these swar letters, we can frame matraye. Those Achulu Gurtulu is called matraye. With swar letters, we get matraye. What we get with swar letters? Matraye. First of all, in important points, I write a few more. Swar. How many letters? 13. Vyanjan. How many? How many are there? Vyanjan? 33. Samyukta Vyanjan. Samyukta Vyanjan. 3. Total how many letters are there in Varnamala? How many are there in Varnamala? Total 49. Okay, with swar letters, what we can frame? Matraye. With swar letters, we can frame matraye, which is called in Telugu Achula Gurtulu. In Telugu, you will have Achula Gurtulu, no? Like that, in Hindi also, we had Achulu Gurtulu, which is named as matraye. Okay, so what are the matraye? We will see now. Swar matra. The first one is A. Actually, mostly they will get all the children will get confused and they will say that it is a matra, but actually it's not a matra. All the letters will have this one. Okay, all the letters will have this one. So that this is not considered as a matra, just it is named as Sirorekha. The next one is A. A means A matra. A matra. E. E matra. E matra. Okay, E see again. Remaining letters. Swar, matra. Up to here, o matra. Next, u matra. Okay, u matra. What is this I said? Re matra. A matra. I matra. O matra. Last, au matra. An matra. Aha matra. For this aha matra, we should not keep the sleeping line here, children. So many will get confusion and keep the sleeping line. So we should not keep the sleeping line on aha matra. Once again we will see the matra in a. Actually it is not considered as a matra. What is this? A matra, how we write it? Like the letter T. You should remember. Or if not, when we rub this one, see, when we rub this one, what the shape will get? T shape. That is a matra. E matra, just remember baby F. Then E matra, we should write E matra. We should write okay na? We should write reverse of F. Next O, just a small half circle. Then you should roll it. That is U matra. U. Here also we can write. We can remember easily. The tail is there no for U. That you write here like this, and then join it like this. This is U matra. Re. In re matra, what we have to write? C letter. C. A. One sleeping line and one slanting line. I. One sleeping line and two slanting lines. O. Here O also we can easily remember. When we remove a letter, we will get the O matra. Here also Au. When we rub a letter, we will get Au matra. An. Here also, when we remove this one, we will get An matra. When we remove this one, we will get Aha matras. Most of the letters matraएं are in the letters only, are in swar letters only. So do you understand my children up to here this one matraएं? What we will do in Telugu, what we will do, how we will write gunintalu? Using achula gurtulu, you will write gunintalu. Now we also with matraएं, using matraएं, will write barakadi. In Telugu, gunintalu, and in Hindi we named it as barakadi. In Hindi it is named it as barakadi. First, we must know the meaning of this heading. Barakadi heading, we must know the meaning. Now, Bara. Bara means how many? Bara means 12. Khadi means line. Khadi means line. That means 12 letters line. 12 letters. 12 letters line is called as Barakadi. In the heading itself it is there. Barakadi means 12 letters line. Bara means 12, Kadi means line. So how many letters are there in the Barakadi? 12 letters. Actually we will count the letter also, the first letter also. So that we will get 13 letters. But here we will count only the letters which is having matra, which is the matra which is added to the letter are Barakadi. We named it as Barakadi. Now we will see. First I will go through the simple and easy letter with the ka. How to join the matra? This one is no need. Actually already it is given and it is not considered as matra also. Okay. The next one. Ka plus a matra. Ka plus a matra. Ka plus a, ka. Ka plus a, ka. Ka plus e matra. So how to join this? Which side we have to join? To the left side. We should join this to the left side. We should write that to the left side. Next, ka plus e matra. This one which side we have to join? We should join to the right side. Ki. What is this? Ki. Ka plus u matra. Where we have to join u matra? Under the letter. Where we should join? Under the letter. Next, ka plus u matra. Ka plus u matra. That means where we have to join? This is also under the letter. Ka plus re matra. Ka under the letter we must pronounce and we must write, and it is pronounced as kri, not kru. Don't pronounce it as kru. That is wrong. The correct pronunciation is kri. Okay. Ka plus a matra. What is this? K. Ka plus a matra. K. Ka plus I matra. Kai. What is this? Kai. Ka plus o matra. Where we should join this one? O matra. We should join this beside the letter. That is ko. Ka plus au matra. This one also we should join by the side of the letter. Then it is cow. Ka plus an matra. We should join that an matra on the top of the letter. Ka plus aha matra. This one see here. Don't keep sleeping line on the aha matra. Separately we must write aha matra. Okay. So what is the pronunciation of this? Kaha. What is the pronunciation of that? Kaha. Do you understand this one? Okay. All know the Bharakadi, but a few letters are there. So most of the children will do mistakes in that. I will tell you what are the letters and where the mistake you are doing in that. Okay, ma? See the letters ga, sha, ana, sha, jha. Mostly in these letters you will do the mistake. Mostly in these letters you will do the mistake. Okay, how to write Bharakadi to these letters? I will show to the letter ga. Remaining you can follow the same. Okay, first one is, first see here ga. How to write ga Bharakadi? I will show you. Ga, a matra. Side we must join a matra. Okay, most of the children they get confusion and they write two straight lines, but this is not correct. Already we have one straight line. We should join only one straight line, not the two straight lines. This is ga. Now how to join e matra? See, most of the children will join e matra like this here, which is wrong. Where we should join? We should join to the straight line. We should join e matra to the straight line. Again, d. D also we should join to the straight line. Next, go. Maximum children will do the mistakes in these three letters only. So you should remember, already one straight line is there, but you have to write only one straight line. And e matra you should join to this one only. Set or to the straight line only. E matra also to the straight line only. Go, go. Grow. And here also a matra you will join to this, which is wrong. Where we should join? We should join to the straight line. Gay. Okay. Next. Gay, a matra. After that a matra we have I matra. Guy to the straight line. go, go, gum, gah. Okay, in this way you should write for these letters also. Why? Because they are having beside that straight line. And one more letter is there. Most of the children will do the mistake in that letter while joining u matra and vu matra. The letter is ra. What is the letter? Ra. What is the letter? Ra. Okay. See. Ra a matra ra, ra e matra ri, ra e matra ri. Now while joining ra vu matra, see, while joining vu matra, ra vu matra, so many will join under the letter, which is wrong. This is wrong. Where we have to join? Side of the letter. We should join side of the letter. Okay. Next. Ra, u. This is also we must join by the side of the letter. And this one is we don't have in Ra Varakadi this one. Why? Because this pronunciation and this one is the same. So mostly we won't use this re. Okay. Ye Ra a matra re, Ra I matra rai, Ra o matra ro, Ra au matra ro, rau. Ra an matra ran, ra aha matra raha. Most okay. Remember this one, children. All the Varakadi what I said to the letters which is difficult. Remember those, and I'll ask you in the next class. Try to revise the notes which is given to you. Okay, ma? Thank you.